Hi everyone, it's Jennifer and Pusheen, and I'm here with the last day of my Halloween Advents, and this is day 13. So let's do the last Paw Ply. No, let's do the last Lather first. Here is the last of the Lather. I'm just too excited to see the last Paw Ply. Alright, I'm going to do the last Lather first, and I'm going to close up the box. Alright, here is the last Lather, which we knew it was coming, and I'm going to hold up all these other ones. So here we go. There's the boys, there's Castiel, here's the car, and then here we go. So these are all the stitch markers, every single one of them. So we have all those, and now let's do Paw Ply. Just so excited. Ooh, I like that. I like the green on green. Look at that. That's beautiful. So let's go back through in no order particular. Blue and brown and the blue. Look at the purple. And the purple mixed together. Look at that, it's got some orange in it. And another. Look at the blue with the white. You know, this is one of my favorites right here. That's stunning. And look at this one. It's gorgeous. And of course, it's gorgeous right there. It's kind of like a sagey green. And let's go on up here with, oh, kind of golden. Very pretty. And of course, purple and orange. And orange. And I think this one ended up being my favorite. Whoop. Sorry about the pink on there. This ended up being my favorite one. Oh my goodness, I love these. These were absolutely beautiful. I love that. I can't wait to put them together. And I think I have a project in mind. But you probably won't see it till after Christmas. Oh my, love this. These are gorgeous. I hope you enjoyed opening these with me. I've loved doing it, and just, it's too exciting. I do have an advent planned for Christmas, and that's going to be fun too. So stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.